Hey, I'm Scott. Today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's line of PVC braces and brackets. Historically, braces and brackets have been a structural component of the house. They were actually carrying load of the house, of the structure. More recently, they're a decorative addition to the house. They add value, they add curb appeal. They really look good. Previously, we manufactured this line of products in our Rustic Timber line, which was Western red cedar and Douglas fir. We started manufacturing out of PVC at the request for a paint grade option from our customers. PVC is a great material to manufacture millwork from, especially exterior millwork, because it's rot resistant, it's bug proof, and it's weatherproof at the same time. As with every product that we manufacture, we always have the installation in mind. So our brackets and our braces, we manufacture in multiple ways. We make solid braces. It's a solid chunk of PVC. We make closed braces. Closed means it's closed on the back and the bottom, but it's hollow inside, so it's a little lighter. Then we make open brackets and braces, which are this design right here. So when it comes to installation, this is the easiest one to install. When it's open, you simply use 2x4 blocking on your structure. You mount your brace, you can apply a high quality urethane glue, and then you simply screw or nail into the side of the brace or bracket. It makes installation super easy. So let's talk about finishing the product. As with any product, we recommend that you follow the guidelines of the paint manufacturer. With this product specifically, you want to make sure you wipe it down thoroughly to remove all the PVC dust. From there, you want to find a paint that is made specifically for vinyl and PVC products. This may not be the right product for you, and that's okay. As I mentioned before, we manufacture this line in our Rustic Timber line, which is Western red cedar, it's Douglas fir, it's beautiful stain grade product. We also manufacture a ton of complementary products in PVC. We have door surrounds, we have door pediments, we have gable brackets, we have gable pediments. But for a ton of other interesting and innovative products, check out our website or give us a call anytime.